How to add a single mode widget or shortcut to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Then we go to the home screen page that you want to add the widget. Next, touch and hold on the home screen. Then tap on widgets. In here, scroll down and then tap on modes and routines. Next, tap on single mode and then tap on add, or you can simply drag it to your home screen. Now in here, it asks you to add in a mode, or you can select one of the available mode. It's already added in here. So tap on add mode and then scroll down and select a mode that you want to use. So let's say you want to add in a exercise mode, then tap on start. And set here during exercise, you can customize it by tapping on settings. So during exercise, this mode will turn on when you start the selected exercise manually in Samsung Health. So go down the list here and have a look at the extensive list. Next, select app open. So in here you can choose app open and select what you want to open. So let's say if you want, when you start exercise, you want to listen to music, so you can choose to open up Apple Music or Samsung Music. So let me see if I can find the music app in here. So open up the music app, then tap on done and then tap on next. And then do you want to turn on do not disturb or not? If so, you can select do not disturb. Otherwise we can leave it blank and then tap on next. And here it says choose what to do in exercise mode. You can choose to play music, media volume, or sound mode and volume. So we can choose to open up media volume and then tap on done. And that's it. So when we turn on the mode, you can tap on the shortcut to turn on the exercise mode, or you can tap on it to switch it off. And here I've got the relax mode, sleep mode, exercise mode, and so on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.